guys, we're at this pond today. It starts from right here, but I don't have any line to go fight these bass out at lily pads. So this pond goes all the way around to the other side. I hardly ever rigged this bait, but I'm gonna start off with tap paddle swim bait. You can see there. And then my second one, this is the one I hardly use just because of the setup, and then finding the fish, but I'll show you that in the video, later in the video. And that would be the infamous drop shot. So let me get this thing up here, and this drop shot going on. There's a bunch of videos on how to tie this up, but you'll find them in a lot of videos on YouTube. And I'm pairing this up with a robo worm. So let me rig this up, and well, actually I'll just show you how I rig mine. Simple, same as everyone, and that is just nose hooking right there. Yep, right over here. I'm not gonna hurt you little duckies. It's a lot of seaweed down there. Yeah, there's a little couple of bluegill trying to get it. Surprised my actual drop shot weight hasn't ripped off all the little debris on there. So that way is where you see somebody fishing there. Looks like it's a little deeper that way. So I'm gonna try it out here without recording with the GoPro in case I do get by. I'll just turn it back on. Got one. Alright. There it is. Don't jump around. When this comes to these drop shots, you want to hurry up and take that hook out their mouth, because this little weight. So just let that guy go. There, she's off. So yeah, first one of the day. Everything looks okay still, so let's get it going. There's a lot of other fishermen here, so you want to get on your A game. They're all the way over there on the other side. exposed hook. Let's see. Oh, that's a perfect one. That's a perfect one. Down there. A lot of vegetation. Oh man. Wait for these people to go. We're kind of bad right now. 1 hour in, and we only got one bass. And yeah, so this walkway, this little boardwalk, whatever, I feel like I wasn't gonna catch anything. Too much noise. But over there on the other side, where there's trees and stuff, we're definitely gonna catch a lot. So I haven't had my GoPro on for that reason, because I know that's where all the fishers are at. So see you in a bit. Well, that's another thing with these drop shots. You're not always going to catch big fish, but sometimes it's alright. So, like I said, once we moved to this other side, I knew there was going to be a little bit more fish, less noisy with all that boardwalk noise and ducks jumping every 20 seconds. So, yeah, it's right here. Try to take the hook. There you go. A little dink, but I want to say an hour and a half almost later. Not too bad. This one's a good one. Same thing, drop shot. Oh yeah, it's a pretty good one. Oh, get out there. Get out there. So at least a pound and a half. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah, a good little pound and a half right there. Yeah, a pound and a half. We'll take it. Around the side of the hip, on your lip. Alright. Put you back in, little girl. Like I said earlier, I knew back here, well, over here on this side, everything's more calm, more vegetation, so there's more bass. Here's number 4, y'all. Sorry I keep turning off my camera, but this GoPro dies so quick. I don't even want to waste time on casts I don't catch anything, you know. Goes the little guy again. But we're working. This is number 4. That's number 4 right there. Not too big, but we'll take it. From nothing in, what, an hour and a half maybe, to 3 fish in less than 20 minutes. So, like I said, never give up. Change the location of the pond or whatever you're fishing. Look for cover and you'll find it. All the bass. I'll turn the camera on here because I got a good feeling about casting this way. Let's see if we can see it this way. But landing on something. Yeah. Yep, a branch. Alright, we're out. But I might have to recast because all that commotion it just did. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, let me recast. Like I said, the reason why I turned the GoPro off because it's already a half battery and I haven't really been using it, so I might need to buy a new GoPro because this one I have doesn't even give you the ability to switch out the battery when one dies. It's a Hero Session 5, so it's pretty old. Let's try this again because I have a good feeling going that way. So you want to get the angles most of all the time. That's where you catch your guy, your fish at. Alright, so it's a lot of debris. It's a lot of debris out there. Lots of vegetation. That's what we want though, but not when you're dragging this thing along the bottom. Picks up everything. Oh, that's a bad cast. Probably scared 30 fish away. This weight is also very heavy. Very heavy. I don't even think I have something lighter. With all this vegetation, I might just switch to a Texas rig and punch through all of that. Get me right in the face of a bass with no issues. Yeah, this weight is heavy. The shallow little area I'm in definitely is catching everything at the bottom. Look at that. Lots of vegetation, which is a good thing, but yeah, I'm gonna have to tie up a Texas rig soon anyway because this will make 4. Well, if I catch another one, that'll make 5 fish on this line. So you want to retie every 4 to 5 fish you catch. Check this out, guys and girls. Check this out. How in the world did this happen? Look at that. He's still alive. Hold up, little guy. It's a little bluegill. Oh, let me grab him. I should use him as live bait, but I don't even know how to use live bait. I'm pretty sure it's the same. It's just Texas rigging or something. But yeah, get you back in. Yep, he's good. Here's fish number 5. Oh, he got off right when I started recording. There's fish foot number 5. He's in a bunch of weed. Yep, there it is. There's a little dink. There's fish number 5. There you go, a little dink. But number 5. I lost a good size. I want to say one 1.5 pound or at least 1 pound over there. Couldn't hook them up right, but this line looks, and the knot looks like they're still holding up pretty good, so I might give it a couple more tries with this. So they're hanging out in some vegetation and stuff, so I do want to do the Texas rig, but as long as this is holding up, I'll try it, keep trying it. Fish number 6, another little dink. Oh, he ripped his lip out, I guess. Let's see if I can get him out of there. There he is. Right there. Oh, dink. About the same size as the worm. I threw on a Zoom trick worm, whatever. This is pretty good. For a quick second, I thought the color wasn't gonna go right in the dark. Guys, I decided to switch to a Swimbait, and look at that. This is why you want to get a Swimbait. Look at that good fish right there. That's what. If he can let me grab him. There we go. There you go, girl. Oh, tear your lip apart, but it's okay. There we go. Good size fish. Maybe 2 pounds. 2.5 maybe. Look, she's still fighting. This is why you want to get a slow reel. Mine is a 6.6. Supposedly swim baits, you can fish them with a 6.3, but you know, you want to stop and go. Stop, retrieve it, stop. Then look at that, she came up. Once I stopped it, that's when she hit it. So, like I said, let me show you what. Alright, good girl. There you go. Have yourself a good night. So this is the swim bait that I'm using. It's a Kitech Swimmer 4-inch with a 1/8 ounce little jig head, but she definitely destroyed it. This one's not even good anymore. But yeah, good fishing. Look at the second one on the swim bait. This one's like 1.5 pounds. I switched my swim bait. Got a it's a Kitech, but this one's the actual fat swing 4.5 inch. Same lure, but different paddle. Like I said, a little chunky, little, maybe not even full pound, but yeah. I'm over here getting ready to get jumped by some ducks. They swam directly towards me. I'm not sure if they can see me. Yeah, they literally came directly to me. I'm not giving out food.